Hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Direct Leo, and today, I will teach you how to remove background from image professionally, in just a click. So let's do it. So first, open your browser. For me, I will use the Google. So here, we will use a free online software to do that. This website is called Removebg. So we type and search remove.bg. We are now on Background BG website. Click Upload Image. Then, select the image you want to remove background. And just wait until it upload and the system analyze our image. And we're now done. The background is now removed and erased. We can download it now and use it. It is so fast and convenient to use. As simple as that, right? This is free to use, as much as we want. So, if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like buttons for more videos. Leave your comments below.